What is going on, guys? I'm MKC Technology and welcome to another tech video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on your Windows 10 PC without dual boot or a virtual box. With that being said, let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your Cortana and type in Windows Features. As you see here, it's already on screen for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up the application. Once in the application, go ahead and scroll all the way down and look for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Go ahead and click on the checkbox right here and make sure the checkbox is checked. From here, click OK, and then you should get a prompt asking you to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your computer and log back in. From here, you're going to go into your Windows and then you're going to go into search and type in Kali. From here, you're going to go ahead and click on install. And once I hit install, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this video just so that you guys don't get bored watching the download and install process. Alright, I'm back. So now that it has finished downloading and installing, I'm gonna get on with this video. Now before I actually do get on with this video, I just want to say one thing which I should have said earlier on in the beginning of this video. If you guys do hear any noise, that is because currently where I am, there's a lot of noise going on outside of where I am. So just keep in mind that I'm sorry. I really don't want this to happen, but yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do to make videos for you guys. So now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get on with this video. So now that it has finished installing, we can now X out of this, and then we can go ahead and launch Kali Linux. Once I open this up, it's gonna then install all the programs and features that it needs. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, and I'll get back to you when it's done installing. Alright, I am back. So that took a little longer than I expected. So now that everything has finished downloading and installing, you should get a screen like this. Now you could go ahead and download some software or get some software within Kali Linux or this terminal right here. Like if you want to get nmap, you could go ahead and type in sudo apt and then the little dash sign right there, then get, and then you could type in nmap, and then you can go ahead and hit enter. But I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I could go ahead and show you how to do that in another video. But yeah, that's how you go ahead and download, install, and upgrade or update Kali Linux within Windows 10 without dual boot or a virtual box. Yeah, with that being said, I'm MKC Technology, and I'm out. Peace.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.